Hi, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a floral design using round brushes. I'm going to be using a number 12, a number 8, and a number 4. These are all Amagic round brushes, and I'm also going to be using a Wistonia. All these will be linked down below with affiliate links, so you're welcome to purchase through those. Using all FolkArt products, mixture of enamels and multi-surface, using vivid orange, pure orange, and autumn leaves. Also going to be using Thicket, happy green, happy green, and wicker white. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the number 12. I don't know if I said 14, but it's actually a number 12 if I said 14. Just going to dip it into the autumn leaves, and this is going to be kind of a very simple project, and it's basically just like tapping the brush down. So I'm just going to go like this, like this, like this, like this, and just keep going to create the flower. Now, you know, you're seeing some transparency here. If you want it to be thicker, feel free to go back over it. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to leave it like this, because it's basically, this is what I'm teaching you to do, is just tap it in. So there's no difficult brush strokes. Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to do is go into, not even rinsing the brush off, going into the next paint, which would be the pure orange. And I might just stick another little one up here, almost like doing stamping. Again, you can go back over it if you want it to be thicker, give it some dry time, or just hit it back up, you know, while you're still painting. It's up to you. And since I didn't actually clean the brush, it may have some of the previous color in it, and that's good. And I'm just kind of overlapping these right now because I don't have a lot of room on this palette, or this painting surface. So I'm going to overlap a little bit. And I'm going to leave this little guy, I think, down here without another flower bud. And just be real random with how you're placing your petals. That's fine. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is go into the vivid orange. Still not cleaning my brush. Just tapping it in there. And then I'm going to come over here, and it's just slightly lighter. Now put one down here because I want it to just be little clusters here and there. Not all hooked together. I can come up here and put an extra one. Like that. Just very simple. And you put a little lighter one out here. So just see how simple that is. And then I'm going to take my, it's a number, I say it was number 4, and tap it into the happy green. And then I'm just going to come here and just loosely tap in centers. And seriously, it's very loose. Again, if you're new to my channel, I am just trying to create designs that anybody can paint. Just using your paintbrush may be a different way than what you're used to. but just simply painting. Next thing I'm going to do is stick my fine liner into my greens, the Happy Green. And I like to roll it a little bit just to pull out some of the extra. And then I'm going to come in here and just attempt to, sorry, I have a grandchild down here with me right now, to tap in my stem. And again, you can make it, you know, where they're connecting within this little bundle, or you can bring it out and connect it that way. I'm just keeping it very simple. And since I'm painting on a bottle and not a drinking glass, it would be okay to leave this more transparent. It doesn't have to be, you know, a real heavy coat of paint just to protect it, because it's not something that's going to be held. It's a decorative piece. So, in case you're wondering, you know, it would be okay to leave it transparent if need be, or you could go over it with another color even. Alright, so enough with that. Then I'm going to come in here and just quickly load. I can stick it into the white even, and once again we're just going to be doing leaves like this. You're just pushing down, pulling up, and go over it again, do that, pushing down, pulling up, pushing down, pulling up. Very easy. Come in here with that. If you want to show up a little bit more, stick some white in there. If you even want to do a few out from the pile there, you could do that. And I'm just pouncing. And they don't have to be neat. Again, I want this to be very loose. That's what I'm striving for. Got a little bit too much white in it, so I'm going to go over it with some green. And you can even put some in the centers here if you wanted. And just see how easy this is. Anybody can be creative. Just sit down, take a paintbrush, and do some different things with them to see what works best, or how you can actually use the brush in a more creative way, and you'll be good to go. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is go back to my liner brush, and I'm going to then put my little stems in here to attach them to the bigger stem. And you can just rotate between the colors or put the colors together. And I like to just kind of pull out some little sprigs here and there. And it's just fun. So just relaxing. You know, I try to do these quickly for you so that we don't have a whole lot of, you know, a long video. But you can take your time. I'm sorry if you hear my grandson in the back. He's down here while I'm painting. Alright, I think I got most of them. Like I said, you could put more in between here if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. I think you get the gist. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and once you're done watching the video, if you would share this on your social network, just hit the share button underneath the video and you'll be good to go. Alright, until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.